Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. For those new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It will really help spread this video to more people. These videos will move pretty fast, so if at any point you need more time, you can pause the video, adjust the speed from the player's bottom right corner, or check the GitHub repository in the description. So let's get started with today's video where we learn how to use TypeScript. We first have to run npm init to create an empty repository. Now we can go ahead and install TypeScript using npm install TypeScript. Now let's create a TypeScript file that we'll use to test some features and see how we can compile it. First we'll try a simple example, a function that will add two numbers. Now we'll console log this function with two numerical values. Now if you run this as a regular JavaScript file, we get our result. We can do this because you can think of TypeScript as an addition to regular JavaScript, so every JavaScript code is a valid TypeScript code. Now let's try change that number 5 with the string 5. As you can see, we get a wrong result because JavaScript is converting the other number parameter to string and it's concatenating both of them. TypeScript can help us avoid this problem by introducing types. So we can declare our parameter as number and also the return value will be a number. Now in order to run this, we'll need to use the Typescript Compiler to compile this code into regular JavaScript. For this, we'll go in our package.json to create a command that will compile the program and run it after. If we try to compile it right now, we'll get an error because TypeScript will see that we have a string, not a number, as a parameter. So now let's go replace it with a number and compile again. Now it's working as expected. Now we can go back into our package.json and finish our command with node app.js in order to run the compiled file. As we see, we got 11, which is the correct result. So that was it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.